Woo! Salam Varnayoch. I'm here in the Caspian Sea. Behind me you can see a lot of infrastructure, I guess related to oil. I'm here on a Saturday on the 2nd of September. It's about 30 degrees, a little bit overcast, but it's so good. The water is fresh, not too cold, not too warm like it has been in the summertime. Woo! It's nice. I'm enjoying this. I'm here today at a wild beach. This isn't a normal beach where everything's all prime and the sand is nice and white and you got the people giving you the chairs and whatever. This is a wild beach, how I prefer it. So we're here today. We're preparing the fire. We're gonna make a nice braai, a nice grill and chill in the sun. So it's wild beach. It looks like that in the distance. It's very cool. Right now we're one of two people only. There's another car down there. You can't even see the people. That's how far we are from them. It's really nice, a lot of privacy here. Sometimes it does get quite busy, especially in the summertime, peak summer. Now it's good. Now it's relaxed. No one here, just us. It's about 10:30 or something like that. It's great. I'm just waiting for these clouds to move on. But yeah, this is so good. I'm right now on a rock, but let's get off this rock and onto the sand. Oh, it's nice. And you know, we're gonna go find some snakes. Let's go find some snakes, shall we? Oh yeah, it's good. I'm serious, there's snakes in this Caspian Sea. I don't know what they're called, maybe Caspian snakes? But they're snakes and they're pretty cute. They're not dangerous. Sure, they can bite, but they're not venomous or poisonous or whatever. Let's go see what we can find, yeah? You'll always find them in these rocks. The coolest is when you see them swimming. Their little heads are popping up and they're really cute. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're gonna find one. They're everywhere. Yo, right off the bat and we found a little snake. Oh, he's going in this little cave. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down here. Let me quickly rotate this screen if possible. Alright, here we go. Tell me what you see down there. You see a snake? You see a snake? Oh, I hear them hissing. There he is. Whoa, I wonder what this looks like for you guys down there. Here he is. Whoa, how was that sound? I'm so curious to play back that footage. They were mad pissed at me. I interrupted their slumber. Whoa, look at this one. You go, boy. Yeah, you're fast. Let me catch you. Woo, look, he's gonna go for a swim. Look how beautiful he is. He's gonna have to come up eventually because he can't breathe underwater. Okay, he found himself a nice little rock joint. Surely he's gonna come up. Alright, it's a shame. I won't stress this little guy anymore. Still see him. Ah, he's coming up. There he is. You see his little head? So cute. Hey, little snake. I won't hurt you, I promise. Yeah, you went under again. Yeah, they're super cool, you see. I like them a lot. And there's many of them. Probably just here in this rock formation, there's probably about like 50. They're always chilling in the crevices, and when there's no people around, they're on the rock sunbathing. Like we just caught one now sunbathing on the rock. But they're very good at feeling vibrations, so when they feel you, they slither away. So we gotta try be quiet with our footsteps so we can see another one. Alright, let's go. Let's find some more snakes. It smells nice and fishy here. Alright. Gotta be careful with these rocks, some of them are quite spiky. Should have brought my Crocs and put my Crocs on right now. Whoa! Okay, one just slithered in there. And I actually gotta look a little bit in the distance so I can see one, because usually I'm looking down at my feet, then I miss the snake that's right in front of me. So let's see. There's somebody else driving on the beach. Yeah, so look at this. You know, the water used to be all the way up there. You see where that rock formations are? The water used to be up there, and ever so slowly it's been regressing, unfortunately. I don't know why the Caspian Sea is shrinking, but it is, and it's very unfortunate. There was this huge lake, sea, in one of the post-Soviet countries, I forgot which one, it's also dried up. And I really hope the Caspian won't be like that. I hope it will be here with us forever. You know, rumor has it that there were once seals here on the Caspian. You would see seals on the beach, chilling in the sun, relaxing. Not anymore. It's quite sad. But at least I can be here today and I can enjoy it while it's still here, and you can enjoy it with me, and we can, you know, look at these snakes, have a nice barbecue, nice grill and chill. And yeah, there was something up there that I did see with the corner of my eye. Let me show you. Let's run through here like a Tarzan. Okay, good. Yeah, take a look at this. You know what this is? No, it's not candy. It's a snake skin. You see how big they can get? They can get extremely long. Very cool. Alrighty. Let's get back in the water here. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a swim right now. Then I'm gonna get back onto the shore and I'm gonna show you how we're grilling out here on the wild beach. Probably have some lamb, some chicken, some vegetables like aubergine, baklajan, and yeah, so I'll show you that pretty soon. And yeah, take a look at this water. It's so beautiful, so clear. It's amazing. So see you soon. This is how we're chilling. We got the van out. On the super hot days, we put out a tarp, I guess, make our own little shade. Today the clouds are doing that for us. Look at this. We got a little table. We got our vinaigrette, some grapes, and our meat already seasoned and ready to go. So looking forward to that. That's a lot of fun. Oh my gosh. It's so clear. It's so clear. It's so good. I'm just looking for some snakes. That's awesome. As they would do in diving school, like this. That's awesome. That's great. We're having a lot of fun. Now we got the tomatoes and the paprika on the grill. Take a look. Oh yeah, it's cooking. Right now we've just put the lamb meat on the grill. Lamb meat in Azerbaijan is exceptionally tasty. So take a look at this. Grilling. Here we're peeling off the burnt skin of the aubergines. They're gonna be nice and tasty. from that to this. It comes off quite easily, as you can see, and they're super tasty. And here we have lamb. And 2 minutes later, take a look at the color of this meat. Superb, perfect. Look at this meat. Super, очень классно, tasty lamb meat. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Fresh. This piece is a little bit fatty. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Super good. Я нравится. Очень вкусно. Finger licking good. KFC is disgusting. This is real food, real meat. And this is how you wash your hands. Unfortunately, the clouds have taken over the sky for now. Just waiting for them to clear. Hopefully they will. So, see you soon. Alright, let me show you guys drinks. What are we drinking out here today at the Wild Beach? I got a little cooler bag. Alright, first up, the perfect drink to have after a heavy meal, especially meat. Ayran. It's a milk drink with salt. I don't know, it's great. I don't find this anywhere in Europe, but I love this when I'm here. I just glug it. Next up, we have my favorite and the one and only syrup. This water is so good. Look, there's a guy riding a four-wheeler. Yeah, you go, boy. So syrup, really tasty water. Apparently spring mineral water. It's really nice. I wish one day they can sponsor me. All right, what do we have next? The syrup with sparkling syrup. Yeah, syrup is really tasty. It's like really tastes a little bit like syrup, honestly. I mean, not really, but you know what I mean. The water is just tasty and sweet, but not sweet, if you know what I'm saying. And then we have this guava juice, which is made in Vietnam, imported to Russian speaking, Turkish speaking and Arabic speaking countries. It seems there's Arabic on there. This is really nice. It's guava. Super tasty Vietnamese drink. So we'll be enjoying this today. Wow. So in this nice little salad we have all these types of green grasses. We have onions and the grilled aubergine, grilled tomato and grilled paprika is also mixed in here right now. If you could smell this, you'd be really excited. It smells so good. Woo! So on the meat, beautiful pieces of lamb meat, including some fat, just pieces of fat. We got onion on top, basil and parsley. This is also the basil, I think, purple. Very nice color. And the onions are super fresh. Gotta eat one right now. Wow, that lunch was awesome. That lamb meat on the grill, grilled tomatoes, super tasty. I can't even explain it to you guys, that was so nice. It's really windy right now, so I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me in this end scene, but basically that's the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you liked it, leave a like please, and the best way to support me is by subscribing. This video is sponsored by me, so please subscribe to the channel if you did like it, if you want to see more videos like this. I really appreciate it. Right now I'm going to go out for a swim again, and I'll edit with the footage from the underwater scene. So thanks again, take care, bye.
Look at the stars, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Do you see that shrimp that I found in the water? There's a little shrimp.